Story time again. This is one about this book, newspaper, like TV thing. It wasn't TV Guide. It was like a newsprint with just what was going to be on TV for that week. I guess it came in the mail. So I would look at it, and so it'd be about 68 on to 69 when I remember every time it would say there were three stations, the networks, CBS, ABC, NBC, and then there was a fourth one, which was, I don't know if they called it PBS at the time, but it was the other one that we could not pick up. And so saying what was going to be on it, Sesame Street, I'm sure, they had that back in the 60s. But there was one that I was kind of interested in that I wished I could see, because we were all into telling the scary stories and the mysteries and all that. And it said Misterogers Neighborhood. So it was misspelled. They spelled it Misterogers. And I always thought that's how you say it, and it was about mysteries. So I try to get the TV to cooperate, and it never would pick it up. You know, we had the built-in, I think we had the kind with the built-in rabbit ears, or that's all I can remember about it. But let me tell you, had we known this years later, somebody told me that the plug in the back of the TV that you plug into the wall acts as an additional antenna. So had we known about this, had I known about it, we could take the extension and raise it up and put it on a chair or a piece of furniture in a different location. I might have been able to pick it up. I would have seen, well, it's not about that's about Mr. Fred Rogers and his saying it's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. But there would have been other programs that would have been cool. And you see, I think nobody really bothered with the public radio station because that's considered liberal. We were all quite conservative. The people that ran the show and the government and the people all just in power, we're all just conservative folks. Parents conservative. Okay, I'm going to end it here because that's all that was about, was just the misunderstanding, the disrespect for Mr. Rogers by the person in charge of printing the paper. Never would fix the typo. All right, later on.